Today we'll talk about the ChatGPT and ChatGPT OpenAI new product Codex. So when the ChatGPT come in the market, everything is got changed. So all the tasks got automated. All the coding are doing by the AI. All the daily PPT creation, daily work tasks are automated through the AI. So recently, ChatGPT, which is the parent company, OpenAI introduced new code like one new tool is Codex. So this is a very powerful tool, and this will be very popular in only last couple of days, and it will take like Codex will take the entirely coming 2 to 3 year in the market. So this will be very popular tool. So they will do all the coding automatically. They will scan our laptop. They will scan our GitHub repository. They will do each and everything. They will automate each and every task. So let me give you like overview of the what exactly Codex is there. And I have created a very complete full course to learn the Codex from the basic to the advanced, how you can install, you can download. I will talk about the complete course, but let's go through the overview of the Codex, how the Codex is basically look like and what exactly do. So you can see this is the front page of the codex. So we have the project. I already had discussed in the my training session how we can create the project, how we can automate the task. We have lots of plugin. We have lots of skill is available. We can create the skill. You can see this is the plugin window. This is the skill window. So under the plugin, we have the plugin under the skill. We have this skill is got created. You can create the multiple skill. So you can see I have created the banking business knowledge. So if I ask anything to this skill, they will do all the tasks. I have created for the CI/CD debugging code. I have created the view the code. I have created the GitHub. So Codex will do all the code modification change, and they will create the pull request and save the code, newly created code in as well. So we have lots of plugin is available. If you go to the plugin section, you can see the Gmail draft reply for every email in behind on it. No need to you do anything. They will create the mail. They will reply the mail. They will automatically send the mail by the certain duration. We have lots of features available. Slack is there. You can see basically Google Drive is there. You can see here we have coding. This is the coding area. We have this activity when we do the coding or programming, all will done by the codex. If you are working into the certain designing area, can you can integrate with the Canva, Figma, remotation, all these things they can automate. Just you can just ask that create the PPT for the my presentation, create the image for my thumbnail, create the image for the Instagram. They will create within the second. No need to do. I already had explained each and everything in my uh, course. Data engineering also we have OpenAI developer where we have to develop AI app, agent and chat GPT. You can create our own chat GPT. So you can do anything. Lifestyle also we have weather promise, productivity. Also we have lots of integration with their Gmail team. They will automatically set the meeting, and they will automatically save the file, they will automatically send the email, each and everything they will create. And also OpenAI working on the daily enhancement, research also, life science. If you are working, we have lots of research feature as well. So I have created complete course from the beginning to advanced to understand the codex, learn the codex. So you can save your job, you can switch your job, you can jump into the AI, and this is the very minimal price I have put it. So let me show you the course. So I have created in the Udemy. My course is available in the Udemy, and if you enroll within 2 days, you will get a flat 50% discount. Just you can use the Pandey Guruji. All the detail I will provide into the video description. So if you use the Pandey Guruji, so basically this will be give the flat 50% discount. So that is the better later part. First, let me discuss what my course is covered. So this is course for the OpenAI Codex full course 2026 AI coding automation agent. So master AI coding automation agent, and you can build a scalable application development using the OpenAI Codex. So you can see my name is coming here, and you will learn master OpenAI Codex fundamental, how to automate the software development, build the scalable AI application using Python, SQL, API, create AI agent for code generation, debugging, testing, documentation, deployment, understand and prompt engineering. Prompt engineering very important. Develop real world project using the AI driven coding. Understand how AI transforming the IT industry. Create portfolio. You can include the resume. So this is the very from the scratch I have created. You can go to the preview video as well before enrolling. So I have what you will learn in this course I discuss understanding the OpenAI. I also explain what a difference between the OpenAI and the ChatGPT or the Codex versus ChatGPT. How you can install the setting up the OpenAI, create the project, real-time project, how you can create, understand the plugin skill, how you can create the multiple skill, how you can automate the GitHub. Codex automate code fixing, pull request, PR creation, automate daily data engineering tasks using OpenAI Codex, automate presentation using Canva in Codex, how you can automate the presentation, how they will automatically create the presentation, automate Python, PySpark, SQL, ETL, uh, debug and auto fix the code. If any code is coming into the production, how you can automatically debug this code. So basically if you have like any debugging the code, like if, like suppose if your pipeline is running and got suddenly failed, so now the developer need to be logged in and they check why the error is got error. So now if you integrated with the codex, they will automatically fix the code. They will automatically basically shape the PR and deploy into production as well. I also have covered lots of in the detail for the all the real time. So basically, for this course, no need to any programming language. I explain AI from the very scratch. So you can go with the complete course description, and this course is very suitable for the developer, engineer, AI engineer, cloud engineer, student. If you don't have any knowledge also, you can also enroll. So this is a very limited offer we have. So if you enroll and if you use the Pandey Guruji, which is you, my channel name, okay, so you will get flat 50% discount. Okay, so I will provide you the into the video description the link also as well. If you also want to learn the SQL from the scratch, I also have the Udemy, and Udemy course is live SQL as well. So this course is also you can find in the video description, and you can use the same coupon. So this is the very like detailed course if you are preparing for the any interview, because SQL they will definitely ask. So I have covered all the questions. So under this Joan, you can see this many video is there. Performance tuning also is covered. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can directly connect with me, which is the number given in the video description. And if you not like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And please share the link to the network or friend circle, so all are aware and they can learn and they can grow into the industry. Thank you so much.